Hi, my name is Mark Shaw. I'm with TurfNet Recycling. What I want to show you today is how to Bokashi your kitchen waste and what the benefits and why you should be doing it. We start off with a 25 litre Bokashi bin. We have 1 kg or 3 DMs of Bokashi Bran, which is a bran infused with microbes. And we have our kitchen waste from the house. Everything. You can put anything, tomatoes, serviettes, anything can go in there. Now what you do is you open your bin to start off. I like to keep my Bokashi in a drum because it keeps it safe for a long time. You can have it up to a year in here. You take a handful and you sprinkle it in the bin to start with. Then you pour your kitchen waste on top. You add, on top of that, you add another handful. It doesn't have to be covered, it just has to sprinkle on top, and then you can use a masher just to get the air out and get it down if you don't like to use your hands. And once you've done that, you must put the lid back on tightly so that the air can't get in, because it's an anaerobic system invented in Japan. They invented this because they have so little space in Japan for dump sites that they recycle everything, and this is how this came about. But now the benefit for you to do it is you're no longer sending your kitchen waste to the dump where it's a very unpleasant smelly product. You're keeping it and preserving it. Now what happens in 2 weeks, once this is full, you close the lid for 2 weeks and you put it in a cool place in the garage or somewhere, and in 2 weeks time it'll ferment and preserve everything inside here. This product then can be used for igniting your compost heap. You can dig a hole in the garden and bury it, and the worms will come and eat it. Or you can feed it to your worms if you've got a worm farm, which is what we do at TurfNet Recycling. We take large amounts of kitchen waste from the kitchens around Four Ways area, and we then put it into the compost, mix it together and feed the worms with it. Worms really love Bokashi, and they can eat everything.
When you say everything, do you literally mean like everything from your kitchen? What about food that's gone off? What about your tea bags?
Okay, the only thing you can't put in this bin is waste oil from your cooking, your chips fryer and stuff. But everything else, bones, the scrapings, meat, fish, prawns, whatever, even if it's gone off a little bit, it's still safe to put in here, because this Bokashi microbes will preserve it, and they modify it into a usable product. I kept a bin for 1 year without opening it, and when I opened it, everything still looked the same inside. The carrots, the potato, everything, nothing had rotted.
What about the smell?
I don't believe that it's actually an unpleasant smell. It does have like a brewing smell, but if it does smell, it means that you've left the lid off and it's gone rotten. Then you just dig a hole in the garden and throw it away. But in most cases, you can open the bin and the smell is not bad. It's just it's a bit like a brewing beer smell.
Brilliant. Anything else you need to tell us, Mark? Where can we get this product?
Okay, we at TurfNet we sell a kit, 2 drums. One when it's full, you need the other one so that you've got the 2 week cycle. You get a bag of Bokashi. You need a small 2 litre thing for your kitchen to put all your waste in. And as I said earlier, I like to keep my Bokashi in a closed drum as well. It keeps it fresh for longer. Basically, that kit can be got from us for about 300 Rand to start off. And then you just have to replace the Bokashi. This will last a normal household about a month. And if it's a small household, it'll last longer. Naturally, if you're a very busy kitchen, it lasts less time. But it should give you over a month's use at 1 kilogram.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for your time.
Bye-bye.